Hi, good morning children. Welcome to EVS session. How are you children? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Today, welcome to EVS session. Day Tuesday, date 33. Unit 8, that is all important water. Okay. Come to this lesson for the highlights. Okay. We need water. Yes or no? We need water. Water is very precious. Animals and even also plants need water. All living things need water. So we have to save the water, every single drop. Okay? Yes. Let us start here. For what purpose we need water? We need water. We are starting from the morning to night. The different activity related to water only. Yes or no? That is drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, washing the pets, washing the vehicles, watering the plants. These all are the related to water. So we have to save the water. If need not to need water, if they not need water, the simply they going enough of water, the wastage. So our duty is we have to stop the tap. We have to put the off with tap. Understood? Because water is very important. So animals and plants need water. Yes, animals and plants need water. Why children? Why animals and plants need water? Because animals need water to live, to drink. Yes or no? Animals need water to live, to drink. And plants need water to grow. Plants need water to grow. Understood? So come to next point. Water nature is always moving. Yes, water nature is always moving. We get water from rain. The rain is the main source of water. Understood? We get water from rain. Rain is the main sources of water. We must only drink clean water. Yes children, we must only drink clean water. Otherwise, we have to boil or filter it. Because the water is very important for our body. Because we must only drink the clean water. Otherwise, we have to boil it or filter it. Understood? So, the drinking clean water is very essential, or otherwise we will fall sick. Understood? Otherwise we drink dirty water, we may fall sick. So we must only drink clean water. You have to drink 7 to 8 glasses of water. In this season, the summer season is very heated places. In that season, we have to drink 7 to 8 glasses of water. Yes children? Are you drinking now? Yes, you have to drink it. And next come to how water get dirty children. How water get dirty in village places or town places. When water body is there on that places, some peoples are making a dirty. How means washing the utensils there only, washing the vehicles there only, washing the buffaloes and there only, then automatically water get dirty in village side. Yes or no? And in how town side means the factory and all, drainage, that all are pipeline given to the water body, that river body only, then automatically water get dirty. Understood? So the water get dirty. Next come to, there are two sources of water. First one, natural sources of water and man-made sources of water. What is the natural source of water? Natural source of water is river, lake. It is filled with the rain only. Yes or no? The natural source of water is river and lake. It is filled with the rain only. Next come to man-made. Man-made sources of water means that is hand pump and tube well. They are made by man. Because you can see in your field the tube wells and all they are made the man only. Yes or no? That is man made. Understood? They may ask in your exam, that is what are the two sources of water. The two sources of water is natural sources of water and man made sources of water. Natural source of water is river, lake, you have to give example. Man made source of water is that is hand pump and tube well. Okay? Okay children, these are the highlights of the all important water. Just read that and just listen the videos again and again, then you come to know that. Okay, any doubt are there regarding this topic, please come to call me. Okay, yes, tomorrow we will meet the next topic. Okay children, bye, have a good day and take care.